Alrighty, good morning everybody. How are we doing? Can we just quickly do a quick refresh? Those on stream, just hit that refresh quick. Let's get you guys up to speed. Alright, just get up to speed. Let's go. $182, 183 pullback. Yep. Let's see. So we'll break the charts down again from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, and we will look at what the potentials are. Of course, today is Friday. So we're gonna be a little cautious because, you know, Friday it is. Give me a second. Alrighty. Alright, Eddie, you ready?
Ready to go.
Ready. Alright, guys who are there, say what's up in the chat so then we can, we know you're ready to go. Ready to smash the charts. Yep, that's good. Let me just see. Okay, 1 minute. Today let's try some new music. And no, that stuff is too light for me. 1 second. Let's just go with the same. Alrighty, gang. Let's start the day off with an absolute smasher. Okay, let's just see what's happening. So, I'm just gonna break down GJGO as usual, and we will look at what the charts are giving us. Alright, so looking at the monthly again, right? We are pretty bullish the previous month. This month we haven't broken the high or the low. Coming to the weekly time frames, you can see we have support and resistances formed all over. On the weekly time frame, we see that 186 is a key level up there, and up here we have 183,750. 18500 support. So you can see we're just marking our key levels. Alright, we're just making sure and marking out the key levels. Alright, so that's one. We have now broken that support, right? And we've come into this resistance area, which is more like a supply zone also, you could say. I would say around 250. As you know, guys know, I love to mark QPs. But this 250 area is very sharp. We've broken this previous low, so it does look like we should continue down on the daily, because the daily is fully engulfing bullish. But the problem with this daily is the previous daily has no top wick, right? So a little bit dangerous, because the 3-day also no top wick, so little interesting, but let's see. Not too much of a hassle. So we're just gonna draw a zone for this 25 pip zone from 750 to 250. Okay, so we've tapped into that 500 level also sometimes. Where's the next level? Uh, 10-hour time frame, we respected this support, so this support is a strong one, which we need to be careful of. Taking out the previous lows, let's see. So let's see. This is looking pretty good. We've pulled back. So just judging from this entire move, right? We're just gonna take it from the swing high, right, to the swing low. We've tapped into the 50%, right? So we've tapped into the 50% and 61.8. We have the 78.6% up here. So you can see that this trade has already pulled back enough, you know, from the swing high to the swing low. We've already reached the 50% level. And the reason why I'm only going to mark this zone is above that. There you go. Above this is a demand zone, right? You can see this demand. So I'd be expecting price to slowly start continuing up if we were to break that demand. So let's see. What we can see is this minor trend structure starting to form here. Right, so let's see. Let's see the minor structure that's forming. Price is bearish at the moment, so let's just go to the lower time frames. Where's the previous low? Okay, so this is the previous low that price broke to in order to go up. Let's just do this previous low and do that. Okay, so see as previous low. There you go. And so we have a high up there, but we're just going to be looking at the low, because I think we all can see that we are quite comfortably bearish, right, on GJ. On GJ. So I'm gonna look for higher time frame bullish closures above 183,500. I feel that would be ideal. But on the other front, if we break this 183,250, that should be pretty decent for us to continue. Should be pretty good for us to continue. Are you guys ready for the day or what? Alrighty, so let's just look at GU for a second, because GU seems to be coming down. We've come down into this support. We got a resistance above here. It's gonna be a little bit of a struggle from here. We need to be careful of this level. You see this level we're at right now, Eddie? On the
Indeed.
Especially on the weekly time frame, this level looks a little rough. I don't know how we're gonna get past this, because this is previous weekly low, so that makes it all the more dangerous.
Definitely.
Very interesting. So this is a crucial, vital support. Give me a second. So on the daily we have this previous high. Looking at the 12 wow, what a drop on GU also yesterday. Everything dropped really well. The only problem is we're in a really interesting spot, I would say, where we've taken out the lows but we've just tapped into a support, you know. And so interesting.
I think but you should come up to 1.245
Yeah,
before it starts heading into some resistance.
Let's look at swing high to swing low. 1 point. Okay, so let's see what level is this. Can we do to 2.5? Yep. What can we do with this? 5 flat. What can we do with you? 7.5. Okay, and this should be okay. Alright, so we have those levels going up. Yeah, 245 is a support that could potentially be tapped into. I don't know. Would you actually consider taking any of these trades?
I don't know. It's really moving at the moment.
Yeah.
So if we can get a meaningful pullback for a continuation, perhaps, but I don't know. I'm not seeing any entries at the moment.
Yeah. I feel maybe we could come back to retest this zone right here. 2475 or 245.
Yeah.
Those are the only two areas I'm looking at potentials.
Yes, for xauusd.
Yeah.
But even then, we need to see if how it reacts at that level.
Yeah.
Um,
Because I think buys are still only above 255 until we get that
Yeah.
break of market structure. Just trading with the trend again, right?
yeah. I would even say early buys above a 25100.
Yep. Definitely a possibility. Once we take out these previous highs, yeah. I mean, for me, all I'm waiting for really is for price to come up, create a significant high, break that, and kind of shift the market structure. You know, you feel me? Once we kind of shift the market structure, it's different.
But also, I think the xauusd can also be good if it rejects the 183,500 level, because it seems to be rejecting it.
83,500. Yeah, let's see. We're right now headed up. The problem with GJ is it does this many times, you know, like where we barely get a confirmation, especially for the buys.
Yes.
And it just keeps going.
But it's also touching the bottom of the bullish trend line on the higher time frames. So that's also another possible confirmation.
Yep. How's gold looking?
It's flying at the moment.
Went back up, eh?
Really high. Yeah, it's really flying.
It's just moving up.
Yeah, so I'm not sure where it's going to project.
Yeah.
Possibly 1925. by the looks of it. Maybe even higher. I don't know.
GU is looking very nice after retest from 250. It's just going up now. Maybe 10 pips.
Yes.
Took out those highs. We could potentially go to 25. Let's see. I wouldn't say I'm too fond of GJ right now.
No, what's it? It first needs to break the what's it? A bullish price action that it has at the moment,
Yeah.
which is not going to happen soon, I think.
Well, we can wait and hope. Guys, say what's up in the chat. Let us know who's tuning in today, who's trading today. Oh, there are some guys in gold cells. That's interesting.
I mean, it could project, but it's just extremely strong at the moment, you know. I wouldn't want to sell it now.
Yeah,
It's
one
just
second.
going.
Let's just calculate their stops. Their stops are kind of below this. 130 pips? Oh my word.
Wow. Okay.
Well, you know who they are following.
Yeah. That's scary though.
Yep. 130 pips stops, my word.
No.
Oh. There are people who've, what do you say, re-entered and added to this also.
I mean, it could bounce from there. I mean, there's lots of areas of possible resistance, but it's not showing any signs that it wants to slow down. At least not yet.
I don't know. No thank you. No thank you. I would not like to sell gold.
Not now. Definitely not now.
Yeah. That's such a gamble, honestly, in my opinion. Such a gamble. Yeah, I don't like many of the, I don't like the price action right now.
No, I think we missed the move already. What's it? You can try and to get in, but it might just hurt you.
Yeah.
It's already moved a lot. So it's better to wait, I think.
I definitely believe so. I don't know. I'm not seeing many trades today.
Yeah, no, I'm not seeing anything at the moment.
Yes, sir. Not seeing anything yet.
So on a GU, I would basically like to go up to the 1.245, and then
Yeah.
we eject it and create a lower low on the 5-minute or the 15-minute, and then I'll get into sales on it.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm just not able to see like anything clearly. Maybe the NY session will give us something more clear, but this one is just not clear for my liking. I do not like it.
Probably not.
Guys, hit that like button. Let's go. But man, yesterday, GJ, if I had to stay in those cells that I were in,
Yeah, no, that would have been nice.
sheesh, that was 120 pips. The snap account grew exponentially yesterday.
That's good.
Yeah. Ooh, we're going to the moon. And Alex G's account is at 140 or something.
This guy's a machine. Yes, sir.
Absolute machine. He's really good, to be honest. See, like right now, if let's just say GU was to come down, right? And then it broke this high and retested, I would buy it. But right now, I'm just so skeptical on it. It just doesn't feel worth it, guys.
Yeah, but if you compare a GJ to a GU, a GU is not really going up that much. I mean,
Yeah.
even EU is going up, which is quite strange, I think, but odd.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Alrighty, let's see. Let's see. Guys, what do you guys trade in this morning? Morning, Fabio. Good morning, Fabio. Send me a message on Discord, Fabio, if you can. Let's see what London Open brings us. I'm not seeing any trades today. Today London session. I think NY session is gonna be promised. I almost funded again. Let's go. Shoot me a message on Discord, Fabio. Let's see who this.
No point of losing. You're in a profitable position, and if it's not going to give you profits, you know, no need to try anything crazy.
Done. Yesterday it gave us some really good trades yesterday in the sells, and it really moved. Ooh, Nathan, what's good? How we doing? How we doing? How's Italy treating you, my friend? Guys, any other pairs we can take a look at today? Let's just see. You know, let's just take a look at some random pairs. Let's see, Euro USD, Euro dollar. Eddie, what did I tell you yesterday? For
Came
Euro
all the way down.
literally to the T. I literally told you, look at the market structure. It's selling. News is gonna sell it. We just
Yeah, it's,
that was the obvious that was always gonna happen.
yeah.
Yeah.
The only problem is it like happened so quickly though, so it would have been hard to actually get into that.
Yeah, but like we said, right, if we were already in, right, from the 500 level, which was
Yeah.
from the morning, which we knew that you was already in a sell, right? You wouldn't
Mhm.
have even gotten stopped out. That was 100 pip drop.
Yeah. Yep.
That is amazing. E was on point. Let's see UJ. I'm in UJ long 15 pips in profit. Alright. UJ. Careful, higher time frame on UJ. Oh, that's a very strong resistance. Big levels over here, 750 key level. Oh, and UJ is in a consolidation right now. Okay, this is pretty good. I'm gonna just remove this. Higher time frame consolidation on UJ. Let's just go to 500. So UJ, I'd actually be very cautious of UJ. Yeah, I'd be very cautious of UJ. We're in that consolidation if you look at it, right? And it's a little dangerous. So you know, this is what I'm actually gonna do. Okay, so this is what we're gonna use to identify ranges. So that is the range, but the zone of rejection is up here. Can you see that resistance? Super clear. But this is the range you want to be careful of. So it's interesting. You and Nathan, we haven't spoken in a bit. Let's catch up. Mr. Nathan, let me find you on Discord. Nathan DC maybe. Alright. Let's see. So usually that's what I'm personally cautious of, Fabio, because that's an important level, right? So we need to be a little careful of looking at these levels also. So I wouldn't mind something like this also. Look to retest these lows. Alright, so we're just doing that normally, you know. GJ is trying to continue up. Geo's retested this for the 1 millionth time, but it's not giving me anything significant, so I'm not gonna be touching it. Yeah, I'm not gonna be touching that. Not touching it. Feel free to ask questions, let's. We need to draw some Call of Duty rounds, man, Nathan. Come on guys, smash that like button, let's keep going. Let's see guys. Put your vote. I think UJ has more room into 147, 750 and then drop. Yep, possible, but I wouldn't bet on that. That's the complete range, of course, but I just wouldn't bet on it. But yeah. Oh, beautiful. GJ is going up. For the guys that bought GJ, amazing.
We have one. Come on, GJ, do it for Harry. Let's go. There we go. That's what I'm talking
Let's
about.
go.
Risk in the game. Come on, GJ. Now let's go. Now let's go. Now we party. Come on, above 500, you know you want to go. You know, GJ, above 500, we party. You know how it works, GJ. I know you know how it works. Just needs to get above this 500. We get above this 500, it's gonna party.
Let's go. GJ is now tapped into 500. What do you think, Eddie?
I think it could come down from here, but it must first make some bullish price action. It's not. You can take a really risky sell from here, but it's not advised.
Do you think it's let's say like worth trading the London session?
How do you mean?
Do you think it's worth trading the London session?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think the chances are quite good that it's going to reject there,
Yep.
but there's no confirmations yet. No price action to confirmations yet. So it might also just start ranging here for a bit as well. So
Yep. You never know. You never know. I just want to know what everyone's looking at, you know, what everyone's taking, because I all I can see is so many guys in trying to sell gold when it's completely bullish right now. I don't know.
yeah.
And then
Also,
it pulls back and then they make 6 pips profit and they're happy. W's
Yeah.
in the chat, you know.
yeah.
It's a very confusing situation.
Yeah, I think there's a chance also that gold can be rejected from where it is at the moment, but also there's no confirmations yet. You know,
Yeah.
there's no confirmations yet.
Let's see.
Still bullish.
Yeah. I just would not be selling gold. No one would be selling gold right now. I don't know. Maybe people must be selling gold, but the daily is so bullish. We haven't even tapped into the daily resistance yet.
And it's also broken the bullish trend line ever so slightly, or the bearish trend line, I mean. So that might be a fake out. Yeah, for just to come back into it.
Yeah. If it's broken the bearish trend line, then oh, no chance I would ever sell it right now.
Yeah.
Why would you sell it? Okay, it's fine. To each one his own. You sleep in the bed you make, you know. So
Yep.
let them do what they know best.
Yeah.
Let me just draw my demand zone, which I think is gonna hold.
But what I mean, if it can, if the gold can break a retest a 1918 to a downside, I think that might be a somewhat of a confirmation that it wants to come down on the shorter time frames.
I'm just gonna say it's gone.
Yeah.
We have a beautiful breakout. What's gonna happen is we're gonna have a retest of the zone and continuation to the upside.
Yep.
So, like you said, Eddie, if we come back below 1915 and retest, that's the only place you'd wanna sell.
1918.
1915, sorry, 1915.
1950, yeah.
That's the first breaker structure, right? And
Yeah.
if we come up over here to 1920, 1921 around here, and start rejecting and start breaking, then yeah, maybe. But no, this is just tragic. I don't know why anyone would be. We're above a major demand now, which is 1917 500. This area right here. Just patiently waiting. Hi, no sell gold today, but can't buy from here. Yeah, it's guys, gold has moved a lot. We need to be so cautious of this. I don't know how guys are just buying, selling, clicking them buttons. I don't know. Like, even over here, what you could have done is when gold broke above this demand, right? You can wait for the clear market structure to change. So we took out this high, that's good. We retested, we broke this high. So that was a sign to buy gold. Respect of this. So those of y'all should have been in buys from here for those who wanted to buy gold. That was really good. But I don't know, there's a whole bunch of people selling gold and I have no clue why. I don't know.
Yeah, it's basically just hoping that it's going to reject here, which it might, but there's no real confirmations for it.
Let's put it out in gold big. Why are people selling gold? Let's get some answers in the chat. Let me just keep my screen up nice and tidy. 1 second. So Yeah, there you go. Let me just move these. There you go. Next zone is probably up here. Why are people selling gold? There you go. I'm just gonna keep it clean. Guys, let me know in the chat. Give me a second, be right back. Why are people buying gold? Yes, because the buys didn't work out yesterday anyway. And today it's a bullish market and people are selling. So the question is, why are we not following market structure? Plain and simple. Alright, someone says draw fib extension and you know you will know why I sell in. Now I just look at the I do use fibs. I'm not gonna say I don't use fibs. Maybe there's a possibility, but the market structure is saying otherwise. So we're selling because of the 61.8% retracement. Yo Chetan, what's good? So we're selling just based off of fib retracements? Isn't that not like, how do people trade off a single confluence? What about plain and simple market structure? I'm not saying it can't work out, guys. Don't get me wrong, I'm not questioning anyone's strategy. Strong supply Ninja Dev. Alright, yeah, that could be a possibility. Yeah, on this daily time frame, that is a strong supply. No doubt. But we also have to acknowledge that this is strong demand too. Right? Previously we went up from here. 19, 19, 19, 20. Strong supply. Yeah. Definitely true. But there's also, like I said, there's a strong demand in this region. But I get what you guys are saying. Maybe we could be bullish once we take out this high, since that was the last significant high that we had. Let's see. Objective. Makes sense. What's good, Jack? How we doing? Makes sense, multi-vibes. Maybe if we could get a nice engulfing candle below 1915. Like I said, I'm all for sells below 1915. I'm all for it. I'm all for sells. Give me a break and retest of 1915, done. In sells. But before that, you kinda got me skeptical. Interesting, let's see what happens. GU is creating a significant high right now, so Let's see, can we start pushing down? After that, I will be looking at this previous high. So we will look at this previous high once we continue a little further down. GJ is looking very nice to be bullish, but let's see what happens. I'm not trying to hate on anyone, don't get me wrong. I am not trying to hate on nobody. I'm just asking questions. So we're just selling from supply and fib retracement. Daily withdrawal is the dream. Go. Let's go, Mr. Russell. Yeah, in FP markets I actually sent my withdrawal in half a day, so that was not a problem. That was pretty good. Pretty impressed. Good in head and shoulder pattern, neckline retest. Gold head and shoulder pattern, neckline retest. Okay, 1 second. Let me just see this. Gold head and shoulder pattern, neckline retest. Yep, FP markets definitely the best in the game. Like I showed you guys the spreads as compared to every other brokerage, the best in the game. Okay, but YouTube, can you send me a chart or something? I don't know which time frame you're looking at the head and shoulder. Okay, so I'm guessing could be this. Oh, why did I select that? Here. Could it be this? And now you're retesting this 8 hour. You're talking this? All I know is this is a very strong demand zone we have right here. Insane withdrawal speed, yeah. Let's see what happens, eh? Send in your charts, guys. You can send in your gold charts on Telegram or Discord. Give us a view into why are we selling gold. Why are people selling gold? GJ, man, this thing is like a train. GJ never stops. Okay. Pop, 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 pop. Okay. That could be a little interesting. Well, we'll have to find out, I guess. We will have to find out. Let's see. Interesting. What else are you guys looking at? I know gold sells is what a lot of people are looking at, but let me know what else you guys are looking at.
The gold sells seem to be working out so far.
Yeah, let's see. Most of them are still in drawdown.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And some went into massive drawdown and are gonna close in like 10 pips profit, 20 pips profit.
Yeah.
So they went 50 pips in negative, 40 pips in negative, and they're gonna close 10 pips, 20 pips profit. Interesting. I don't know. Full margin gold sells.
Yeah, but breaks this 1916 800. I think it should possibly to come back into the bearish trend line. And then it was just a fake out.
Fakey, fakey, you know how it is. Guys, put it in the chat what you guys are looking at taking. Oh, what's the plan? 4-hour gold flip, good liquidity grab to continue down. Looks like that looks like an interesting plan too. I'm not gonna lie, the gold sales are looking better and better. I just really want to know what triggered those gold sales, like for people. Was it like some order block or what? Took out these lows, came back, retested. Yeah, see now when you look at that, that's an engulfing candle, right? That gives you more confidence on an engulfing. So that would make sense. Does FP markets have crypto deposits? Yep, try it out. Look at the 4-hour for gold. That looks like a sell. Yep, big rejection from the upside. That will make sense, yeah. It's really interesting how each person is seeing a different thing yet still seeing sells. I really like it. I'm just trying to see what you guys are thinking. I personally don't trade gold, like I said. I personally don't trade gold, but I really like to see every single person's thought process.
Yeah, I took a bit of a the gold sell myself.
Beautiful.
at
You were able to secure
17 and a half.
Beautiful. So you must have caught at least 10 pips. Yeah, 15.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can
So
only learn
hopefully
from
I
each other.
can,
So that's beautiful.
hold this one all the way to the lows again.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So far we've had the confluence of fib retracement for gold sales is what one person stated. The other person stated gold head and shoulders in a higher time frame, which is also a good reversal pattern, so that makes sense. Another person stated gold is in a strong supply zone, which also makes sense. So that's really good, guys. If you keep on focusing on being able to bring these confluences together, it only makes you stronger as a trader, right? So for me, I personally don't trade gold. I just want to ask you guys, you know, what makes you guys stronger to trade gold? Gold about to do the 25 pip move. You're almost 25 pips up, right, Eddie?
About 15 pips. What's it now? 18 pips.
Very nice. For me, 4-hour flip entry, liquidity grab. So it broke the highs in the game. Wonderful. So that's interesting. Very interesting. Interesting. Gold pulling back now. Why are people selling gold? Okay, so everyone's got that 20 pips. Now what about gold? Does it retest 19, 17, 500 and then continue back down? Or what? What's the plan now? Or what's the targets? Let's see. All those in gold sell, let me know your targets. All those in gold sells, let's know your targets. Let us know what your targets are. So that way we kind of get an idea whether your trade is gonna pan out or not. Let me know what your TPs are. $19.15 weekly low and stop loss. $19.15 week 1 low. Okay. Last week low. Okay. 1915 is your target. What's your stop loss then? 1888. More of a swing trade if daily flips. Wow. Okay. UJ closed, hit full TP. Beautiful, Fabio. Let's go. Smashing. 1904. Okay, interesting. Alright, well, let's see, Ninja Dave. Where's your stop loss, guys? Stop of the above the current 4-hour high. Okay, one stop over there. Come on, multi-vibes. Ninja Dave, where's your stop losses then? High of the day. Okay, so same thing. Okay, so you also got your stop loss up here. Alright. So everyone is using the similar stop loss, right? High of the day. Yeah, that's pretty much the high of the day, so yeah. Alright. Let's see if it gets to a TP or it goes back up. As per my analysis, I'm personally seeing it more bullish than bearish, so let's see. I feel like it's more likely to continue moving up, and I could be wrong, could be completely wrong, so let's see. Let's see. Small lots are fantastic. I trade a lot of small lots too, because it helps with your psychology. Small lots will always help with psychology. Guys, feel free to ask questions in chat. Feel free to ask your questions in chat so we know what's popping, we know who's on the stream, we know what's going down. Let's see. What's the plan for the weekend, boys? If you get some decent rejections, it still wouldn't be enough for me to say it's up. So yeah. The question still stands. Eddie, are you out?
I'm out.
Now you kinda know what I mean.
Mm-hmm.
You can kinda see what I'm looking at, you know?
Indeed.
Once this 2-hour candle flips up, we most likely are shooting for the moon. We're gonna hear some grown men cry. Man, there's so many people streaming. Oh, look at that close on gold, strong. I don't think people are going to be very fond of me, Eddie, if gold continues up like this.
And I think it's going to re-eject from the 1918 level. Then
1918.
possibly come back down. Yeah. At least that's what I think.
Why though?
So it's on the smaller time frames. It's changing. It looks like it's busy changing the price action. So I think it should reject from there.
Oh,
Let's
okay,
see.
okay, okay. I get what you mean.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Lower time frame supply. Yeah, that. And also, what you could say is where we broke out at this range, we made a low. We are retesting
Yes.
the low of this range to continue down. Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
fair enough. Fair enough. Lower time frame change of market structure. That's what I looked at to enter trades, so that makes sense. But the problem is the lower time frame and the higher time frames are not matching up. That's the only problem I'm having with gold right now. Lower time frame, higher time frame not matching up. Yeah. Interesting. Good shout, Eddie, on that change of market structure. I didn't even look at the lower time frame. That's a good shout. Yeah, Ninja Dave, good shout. You too said lower time frame supply. Let's see. Keep it going. How many of y'all are gonna backtest this weekend? How many of y'all are gonna backtest this weekend? How many of you are gonna backtest and see what's up? And keep refining the art. Gonna keep learning the art. Yeah, how many of us are gonna keep learning this art? If you have any questions, guys, put it in the chat. We can always take a look at it. So I really think that we need to take out these lows over here in order to continue down, or at least in order to get a confirmation of continuing down. These lows are important. So let's see. Hit that like button, guys. Let us know what you guys are looking at. Selling GJ for 20 pips stops, I'm guessing, or TP for 20 pips. Interesting multi-vibes. Multi-vibes, what's your strategy? What do you use? What is your go-to strategy? Let me know. Are you like a order block trader? Are you a smart money concept trader? What's happening? Are you an ICT trader? Fib mainly. Okay, that's good. So you trade mostly Fibonacci. That's nice, I'm guessing. Yep. Eddie, what's your plan? Is it Steak Friday?
Possibly, yeah.
Let's go, Steak Friday. I don't mind. No, I had a steak Thursday, so steak Wednesday. So I'm not gonna be having Steak Friday. I think I'm gonna go for something more mutton or lamb, as they say. Does anyone in the chat play any Call of Duty? Anything? What did the people of the internet do? People of the internet. Sell limit at 183,750. Nice. Ooh, look at GJ right over there. Go GJ. GJ looks very good. How long you guys been trading for? Put it in the chat. Let's see how long have you guys been trading for? Eddie, how long have you been trading for?
Oh, too long.
How many years?
Way too long. About 10 years, I think.
Ooh. Ooh, you and Andrew pretty much similar, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not seeing anything really. And it's a Friday. I think we should just enjoy the Friday as it is.
Indeed.
Just enjoy it as it is. Learning since 2.5 years but completely focused on trading from 2 months. Okay. Oh, so you're full-time. YouTube. YouTube is trading full-time. My guy, you really need to change your name. Your name can't be YouTube. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a session. I do not feel like wasting my time doing this.
Probably better.
Yeah.
And I'll see you next week.
Yep, not trading NY?
No, I'm asking you. You
No.
said that you want to be done for the.
Let's trade NY because I think these will set up for NY.
Okay,
Sounds good?
sounds good.
Alright, take it easy, YouTube. Don't overtrade, don't over risk, guys. You guys know the vibe. See ya. Take it easy.